Hey everybody, it is Taylor of Summer Del Sol here. Thank you for joining me. Today I am taking on a pretty large project. It'll be my biggest solo project to date. I am swapping out the pilot bearing, clutch, flywheel, all of it in my new to me 2001 Mazda Miata LS edition. And I am a little nervous, but here goes.
Ooh, girl, you thought. Step 1. We'll remove the center console by popping out the color-matching tabs along the sides. Be sure not to mess up your leather, I guess?
My leather?
Next, use a Phillips head to remove the uncovered screws. Set those aside and be sure to get the screws under the console rear compartment as well. Now, take a well-deserved sip. Look at that seamless transition. Beautiful, really. The next step is to screw off the shifter knob and shifter boot holder. Now you can struggle to wrestle the center console away from the wiring below. Watch out for the release levers for the trunk and gas cap in the rear compartment as well. As you can see, I'm too stubborn to scoot any of the items I've already removed, so I get to add a little extra challenge to releasing the wiring. Don't be like me, but in so many more ways than just this.
This is a very helpful angle, isn't it?
And you still chose to film it like that.
There we go. That's clippy. Woohoo!
Well, we know the whole car is a 10, so go ahead and bust that out to remove these bolts. Similar to all too many things in my life, the shifter boot is being held together by a zip tie? Clearly someone has been in here before. And listen, nail clippers, I know, but I couldn't get scissors in there. It made sense at the time, and it worked, alright?
Hey, still kind of toward the boot. That's okay though. I got it.
Fair warning, you might find the source of life underneath your shifter boot. And it is ungodly. Ugh. I feel like this is a metaphor, but now, go saw some wood because you left your blocks at home. Sorry for the mess, Mom. Alright, let's get that car lifted. Don't forget to second guess yourself though, and then freak out. No, we're good. We're good. We got this. Oh god. Yeah, we're good. Moving forward. Totally fine. Everything's fine. What was that? Yep. Nope. Good. Good. And you must welcome your beer-bringing peanut gallery. Check to make sure the car is secure, or in Cecilia's mind, give it CPR.
I thought you were doing CPR. Come back.
Before we get started, you can see all the subframe bracing we'll need to remove before getting to the exhaust. So, let's tear it apart. Sadly, one decided to fight.
This little turd. Can't get these. I can't get these.
UGA's Grady College of Journalism, they're so proud of me right now. I decided to remove the cat back for better clearance, but it isn't totally necessary. Or particularly pleasant, for that matter. Oops.
Yep. Go and drop it.
Let's try and get that stuck one off. Wasn't asking.
Hello, baby. Hello, my darling. Hello, my right.
I have no answers for you. Now make your most attractive faces while you drop the car down. Wait, what? Why is she dropping it? Once you've dropped it all the way, take it to the mechanic!
Well, as you can see, I was unfortunately not able to tackle this project on my own. I do not have quite enough strength, regardless of how much lifting I've been doing at the gym, nor the power tools required to successfully drop this transmission right now. So I sent her out to the shop, and my solace is it took 3 of the guys to remove the pilot bearing, so it wasn't just, you know, even if I'd been able to drop the transmission, it would have been a multi-team effort, for sure. It was honestly discouraging at first, but it's one of those things where I understand how a lot of those components work now. So I've learned a lot even in failure here, which is going to be crucial in any situation, but especially automotive. as you know, it's going to take a lot of trial and error sometimes for some of these things. So I'm looking at it that way. I will certainly be sure to link the resources I've used to better understand those components and get through the process. There's a great tutorial that I'll link below, but it has been frustrating and eye-opening, but you know what, I'm choosing not to be too discouraged, because as I continue, I will eventually gather some of those components required to be able to do a task like this, and you know, so will you guys. So learn from me that this definitely, it was incredibly frustrating, but you'll face those moments, and it's important to keep going. So, you know, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you've enjoyed, you know, at least a little of the humor in this. And we're learning together. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you next time. I hope you at least enjoyed it. Be sure to check out the resources below, and I will catch you next time. Bye!